लगाती है, पाँव से छींटे उड़ाती है, हंसती है देखो खिलखिला के, कभी कभी ये रुठ जाती है, तेरी पागल भोली सी, तेरी जुल्फे खोरी सी, तुझे देख के दिल ने कहा
The biggest and brightest stars have often overshadowed the newer ones, peeping out in the vast constellations above us. But the new stars burn with a ferocious desire and display an ability to get noticed no matter what. On the sets of Starry Nights 2.0 tonight at Hotel Horizons, Stud Sports Bar and Grill, Mumbai, we have with us the very talented, versatile and crackling Bhumi Pednekar.
चली जाती है, लहरों के संग झूम गाती है, हाथों में लेके अपनी सैंडले, जाने कहाँ को ये जाती है, थोड़ी पागल भोली सी, तेरी जुल्फे खोली सी, तुझे देख के तो दिल ने कहा
That was wonderful. Thank you, Anurag, Jeet, Pavan and Prateek for playing for us on Starry Nights 2.0.
Wonderful. You guys. That was really fun. I must tell you, I'm very, very excited to be on your show.
Thank you, and so are we. Bhumi, you started out as a casting director.
Yes.
Would you cast yourself today?
I think I would, because, you know, I would see this passion in this girl and I would be like, isko to picture ye karni chahiye.
But do you think it's your passion that got you your first film?
It was just my conviction, and maybe I really put it out in the universe. You know, when they say ki when you really want something really bad, it happens, and I think that's exactly what's happened.
But if you wanted to be an actress, why did you start out as a casting director? Nobody has done that.
Actually, I went to film school and I was doing acting over there, and I got thrown out of film school because my attendance was very low. I was treating it like high school because all my other friends were in college, so wo log mithi bai pe vada pav kha rahe, so I was also bunking class and doing the same thing with them.
So you actually got thrown out, huh?
I was very nicely asked to leave film school, and then I realized that I am gone now. Like, my parents are going to send me to London. They were ready to pack me off and send me. So I honestly just joined casting to get into this and tell my parents that, you know, yeah, I like made a mistake, but I'm really serious about doing this.
Actually, I want to know, when you used to take auditions, would you ever feel, I could have done this better? You must have felt internally.
I was just at peace because I was like, ये तेरे साथ तो होने वाला है, अभी नहीं होगा, बाद में.
What conviction!
It really was.
Conviction.
And I think it all comes from my family, you know, because everybody around me while I was growing up had an idea because of just the way I am.
Super. But is that why you accepted an awkward role like Dam Laga Ke Aisha, where you had to put on some 30-odd kgs, you know?
I was a little nervous about gaining the weight, but I went back home and I spoke to my mum, I spoke to my sister, and they were like, just do it. This is what you wanted to do all your life. You love eating. You love acting. Like, there couldn't be...
So everything has fallen into place.
There couldn't be a better combination than this.
And are you happy?
Oh my God. I love what I do. Like, I don't think I'm good at anything else. I never wanted to be a doctor, engineer, none of that. I always wanted to be an actor.
Lovely. Who's your stress buster?
For starters, my family, my mum and my sister. They are people that I bounce off everything, any personal problem, and like every script of mine goes through my mum. Like, while I'm reading it, she's reading it, and because I really trust her judgment. And I am very lucky to have a beautiful set of friends.
They treat you the same way, or now you're a star?
Way. No, I don't think I've really changed. So nothing has honestly changed in my personal life.
And they give you genuine opinion about your films?
Always.
About your performance?
Always. They really keep me grounded. They keep me in check. They keep me in touch with my reality.
Bhumi, since all that you've achieved has come to you rather quickly, let me introduce you to our very own Quickie Round.
Okay.
There's this wall of shame, or fame, as you look at it.
Okay.
You have to aim for the shooting star
Okay.
or the rising star, but definitely not the black hole. You get exactly 60 seconds
Okay.
by this hourglass to answer as many questions as you can.
I'm going to be a shooting star.
Okay,
Is that the best?
that's the spirit. Yes, of
Yes,
course, that's the best.
shooting star, guys.
That's the best. So, your time starts now. 10 square is equal to? 10 raised to 2 is equal to?
100.
Very good. River, ocean, sea. Which is the biggest?
Ocean.
Wonderful. How many inches make a foot?
12.
Hands have 10 fingers. How many fingers are there on your feet?
8.
Wrong.
2 toes.
They're all toes.
Oh.
With toes and all toes. What is a fruit and a vegetable?
What is a fruit? A tomato?
Wonderful. Opposite of bhoo, you?
Ubu.
Bhumi.
Boom.
You can't eat your dash and have it too.
Oh my God, I know this. You can't eat your cake? Yeah.
Wonderful.
Oh my God.
Name 3 star kids.
Alia, Ranveer Kapoor, and Kareena Kapoor.
Superb. What is AB, 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 AB?
Abba.
Long time no see.
Oh. I would have never. But I think I did a fairly. I know.
Not a fairly good job. You did a wonderful job. You just
Yes.
blown this round away. And for that, I just can't but give you the shooting star. So congratulations for
Yay!
that.
I'm also a little surprised actually on my
You shouldn't be. And there's a gift waiting for you.
Oh, wow.
Thank you for winning this round.
I hope there are more rounds like
Yes,
this. I
there are
love
more
gifts. Thank you, sir.
The saying goes, behind every successful man is a woman. Well, behind Bhumi Pednekar's success also, there is a woman, none other than her mother, Sumitra Huda Pednekar, who joins her daughter on our show, Starry Nights 2.0. Sumitra ji, thank you so much for
My
joining
mom's
us.
debut with me.
Sumitra ji, you are also connected with the arts. Is that the reason Bhumi chose to come into films?
She's been a performer. You know, every party, everywhere, without her dance, nothing was complete.
Oh, wonderful.
And when she was barely, I think, 3.5 or 4 months, we were going to Khandala. That time, that song, Oye, Oye, had become very famous.
Yes.
And the moment she would hear that, she would start dancing in her bouncer.
I was 4 months. This is
4
Maa Ka
months.
Pyar. This is Maa Ka
No, but
Pyar.
that is
No,
inherently she had that music sense.
The rhythm, even if she was kicking in rhythm. So yeah. And the moment we would stop the song, she would start crying. Okay, oye, again.
My parents always had a lot of friends and people would come over, we would go to their house, but 1 ghanta they have to see me dance to Chhaiya Chhaiya or Koi Mil Gaya, and they always appreciated me, encouraged me.
Does she share everything with you?
Yes.
Or there are some secrets she holds back?
Not that I know.
Ah, exactly.
I don't know, Mom, those are secrets.
So you got the answer.
Well, I'm happy.
But was she a naughty child? Did she get into trouble often?
She was a wonderful child.
Okay.
You know, my other one was a very naughty child.
Samiksha.
In fact, from her school, they would always ask me, Mrs. Pednekar, please tell us, what do you do with your daughter? And when I heard that, I got scared. I said, what has she done? No, she's so good. Please tell us, share with us.
So
Good
actually
dancer,
share with
always.
us, what would you do that she was so good?
I don't know. Nothing that I was doing. But she was a lovely child.
Was she as independent as she is now?
Yeah, she was independent and I had full faith in her. I don't know. There is no formula of parenting. I used to sit with them and tell them what should be followed.
And even like when we made a mistake in school, like I remember, the only time I've cheated was in school once. And I was such a bhondu at cheating that I kept my thick history book, which was this big, on the table and I was copying. And the first person I told was my mom. Because I knew she's also going to get a call from school because they caught me.
Did she get a spanking after that?
No.
You never used the rod?
Never.
No, never.
You've been a very loving mother.
Not really loving, but...
Was your dad the stricter parent?
Actually, no. Mom, no. You would like to believe so, but I think my mom was stricter. Like, my dad was cooler. I think they decided when they wanted to play good cop, bad cop. Because there was a
She's
week
nodding,
where we
she's
were
nodding
like,
in agreement.
Mom's like the best, and there were weeks where we were like, Dad's like amazing. You know, there were certain aspects where my dad would be stricter. So like studies, my dad never told us anything. Acha, bahut barish ho rahi, you don't want to go to school, it's okay. My mom would be like, what are you doing? Like, why are they going to school? Yeah, but I think as we grew older, my mum became like easier because I think it's a girl thing, you know, how fathers are obsessed with their daughters,
Yes,
you know. So my dad, like, we were not even allowed to enter the kitchen because he would think something would fall on us and we would like get
Very
burnt.
protective father.
Very.
3 o'clock at night, she would, say, I want fish finger from that restaurant, you know.
And he would get up and go.
He would get up,
Oh, what a
he
lovely
would call up the restaurant, he would make them open the
How
restaurant and
wonderful
he
is
would
that?
get fish fingers for her.
So
He
you
was
must be
very
really
amazing.
missing him.
Yeah. We miss him every day, like every day.
Well, we have a surprise for you. Bhumi, if you could just pull this curtain down.
Down?
Yes.
Oh my God, oh my God.
You were really Rolly-Polly in this black and white picture.
Oh my God. These are pictures my mum has clicked. You see, she's got it dressed up.
And that one is with all your college friends, I believe?
No, that one is actually shot on the sets of Shubh Mangal Savdhan.
Oh.
It was International Women's Day, so I collected all the girls on
Oh,
set and we clicked a
wonderful.
picture.
Okay.
My grandparents. That's me and my sister. And yeah, that's me and my dad. I'm on his lap over here. Everybody who is somebody in my life is actually on this wall.
Lovely.
And can I take this with me?
Yes, you can.
This is so lovely.
So, what's the relationship you share with your sister Samiksha, and has that changed after your stardom?
No, not at all. Like, I don't think anything has changed in my life after anything. My sister is 3.5 years younger, but I'm maternal towards her. We fight, like we still scratch each other. It takes us 1 minute to go from 0 to 100, but it takes us 1 second to go from 100 to 0.
again.
But my sister is my backbone. Like, I feel so lucky to have her in my life.
And you miss having a brother?
I don't think so. Our house has so many women and it's mad. There are always hormones raging. Like, you know, there's just somebody is hormonal. Like, it is crazy.
But do you all cook together?
Mom cooks, we eat. She's an amazing cook.
And she made me a cook.
Yeah.
Oh, because she's fond of eating.
Yes, yes.
In fact, my weight loss is because of her.
Oh.
She was the one who told me, get off wheat, do this, do that.
But that means when she put on those 30 kgs, you must have really been worried.
I was. But I knew I can handle that.
Well, I think whether it's your films or your family, luck is written in the stars for you. And so we have a little surprise for you from someone who has a big role to play in making stars and their luck ever so often.
Wow.
Within such a little time, she's managed to just take care of her whole family, you know, after her father passing away. And I think that, to me, is a little bit of a superhero quality that she has. And I dig that. She was always very scared of me. I don't know why. She was kind of like, no, you're like an older sister to me and whatever. So she never auditioned people in front of me. So one day I paid a surprise visit to the office and there was a little door open and I kind of saw through the gap of the door that she was handling a camera, playing an aunt and an uncle and the lead hero for this girl. So I looked at her and I couldn't get my eyes off. I was like, she's so watchable, you know. And I remember going back to my boss and he had like kind of smiled at the thought and, you know, let it go. You know, I mean, the way she used to be, like, and I'm not just talking about the weight, I'm just talking about the way she used to dress and the way she was. She was a bit of a crazy cat. So after like a couple of months of her like losing weight and really doing well, he called me one day and said, can she really act? And I said, I bet my career on it. And he said, okay, so there's this film where I need an overweight girl. So I immediately called her and I was like, stop working out now. So she just there and then did like 5 scenes for me, you know. And I showed them to my boss and he loved her. She knows in her head what she can do and she knows in her head what she can't do. I think her funda in life is very clear that I want to act and I want to be credible, and I think that is what really impresses me about her. Of course, she's learned that from me, but however, you just let that be.
Oh my God, she is amazing. Thank you so much. Like, you really made this so special. I literally don't know what to do for Shanu to
Repay.
Like do whatever. She's one of the nicest people I've met. She's
Such
amazing.
things cannot be repaid for me. It's a turning point.
But thank you so much. This was very, very special.
I'm sure it is. If not an actress, what would you be?
I think I would be sitting at home. I would be a Boj on my mother. On my rock, I would be a Boj, 100%.
No, I don't believe that.
Probably your mother can answer that. What would she have done?
She wanted to be a director.
So she would have been a part of the entertainment industry, any which way.
Yes, any which way.
And do you have a style icon?
Sonam is amazing. Kangana is amazing. But, Rekha ma'am, amazing. In fact, my mom was super stylish. I remember there are these shots of hers from when she was in college, and she showed them to us when we were at my nanny's house, and there are these white hot shots, and we were like, Mom, we wouldn't wear them. They're so short. Like, how are you wearing them? So my mom was like I think like the whole dressing up bit comes from her. I think she's my icon in every way possible.
Lovely, lovely. Mothers and daughters always share a special bond, but it's also true that daughters often get into a lot of trouble with their mothers. And so, we at Starry Nights 2.0 have designed a round for that time when the mothers feel left out. Only thing is, I get to sit back and enjoy as the two of you get into double trouble.
Oh God, I'm so scared.
This is for your mother.
Okay, Mom.
This is for you, Bhumi.
Okay.
And inside these two star containers are questions that you must ask each other. And before you ask me, what do you do this for? Well, you compete against each other for this coveted Real Star of the Night crown.
Okay. Are you ready, Sumitra Hooda Pednekar?
Yes. Good luck to both of you.
Should we start?
May the best person win.
That's going to be my mum. 2 things I should never do.
Impatient and get angry.
Get
Mom?
angry.
Would you be okay with me dating an actor?
Yes, why not?
Yeah.
Anyone, I know you will choose wisely.
Wow, Bharosa. Are you seeing? Okay. A habit of mine that annoys you the most.
Impatience, baby. That you developed now. Earlier it was something else, but now it's impatience.
So there were other habits that would annoy you. Thanks.
That 5 minutes, abhi uthti hu, 5 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, she used to trouble me like anything, but now she's very disciplined.
So getting out of bed was a problem.
Ah, yes.
Okay, Mama, next question. An incident where you thought I've lost my mind.
When you were crying and you called me, I was in, I think, Ahmedabad, and I got so scared. I said, hold on, I'm coming back home.
And why was she crying?
Some silly fight these friends they had. I came back immediately because there was a pact between me and my children that whatever happens in your life, whatever, even if you commit a murder, I should be the first one to know.
Oh, really?
Okay, last question. Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Rate me as a daughter on a scale of 1 to 10. This
10, 10, 10.
100.
Wow.
My mom would give 100.
You're like the partial teacher. Every student, so let me go for 10 on 10.
No, she is worth it.
She's worthy of it.
Yeah.
I'm sure she is.
Yeah, my mom would
She's
give
done you
1,000.
proud. She's done you very
yes.
proud.
Oh,
And at a very young age.
At a very young age.
And now, Mrs. Pednekar, you can ask her questions.
Okay, be careful, baby.
I'm going to answer for you. You wait, full badla is going to happen.
But I was very nice to
Okay,
you.
I'll be also nice.
She's imagining you trying to bribe you, emotionally blackmail you.
A director you would never want to work with.
Oh God. कौन है यार? I think KRK.
Satyajit Ray.
Mama, I can't give ऐसे smart answers, huh? Because I think a director would be him.
KRK.
Yeah.
Okay.
A Bollywood actor you have a crush on. Okay, come on. I want to
Bollywood actor, I have a very big crush on Priyanka Chopra. Yeah, I think she is amazing.
Oh, superb.
And Vidya Balan. Two people I've
Two
said.
crushes, huh?
2 crushes.
क्या बात है? एक और बोल दे.
नहीं,
Hat-trick हो
She's,
जाएगी.
she's waiting for the male species.
Male answer.
Yes.
I think Varun Dhawan. I'm sure my mom has a crush on Varun.
So mother-daughter competing.
God bless you.
Mom, stop it.
Something I do that annoys you to no end.
My bub is very funny. I think at times she just gets into this character that क्या रखा है जिंदगी में, and my sister and I are like looking at her like, what problems do you have that you
Do we talk to such things?
And she loves coming and hugging and kissing us when we are asleep. I think a full love.
You can't hug and kiss
Catch
them
them.
when they're awake.
It is so like, we've come back and we've slept. It's been 2 hours and our mom and I was like, Mom, stop. And Jan Bujke, she'll come switch off the AC and go so that we wake up early. And I was like, why do you do all this? But it's really sweet because she wants to like hang with my sister and I. And one more, I've given 5.
So
I think she's fully eavesdropped on my conversations with my sister. She might not accept it. She
No
might-
way.
Mom,
No.
I know it.
She knows it. She knows it.
I think so.
Anyway, it's healthy.
See?
The conversation is healthy.
Yeah, then I come to know now what all is happening around me. See, I have to.
Just see. To all my friends out
Private
there, all
detective.
parents are private detectives. Sometimes she knows so much more. I was like, how do you know this? I said, I haven't told you this. Okay, my next question. Last
Ready?
one. I'm ready.
She's ready.
Am I a better actor, producer, or mother?
There's a secret about her that she is a closet actor and a very good one.
Okay.
And I think I get my acting gene from her.
Okay.
But I think she is a wonderful mother. Like, phenomenal. Everything my sister and I are together because of our parents, and especially after my dad passed away. She really managed both the roles beautifully.
So that you didn't feel...
Yeah,
But what's
she's
your fondest,
wonderful.
What's your fondest memory of your father?
Oh my God, so many.
many.
But my fondest memory is whenever he would come back from work, he would literally feed us and only then eat. And every day. And we would wait. So I think the foodie I am is because of my dad.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And I think, Bhumi, you
think-
deserve the crown
Oh,
because
yes.
you've revealed such wonderful things about your mummy.
But I think I will pass it on to the queen of our life.
I'll cry.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I think, thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you so much. This is so sweet.
Lovely. Well, Bhumi, this mother-daughter bond that you'll share is amazing. Touch
Thank
wood
you,
for that.
sir.
Touch wood for that. Thank you so much for being with us on Starry Nights 2.0. And may the two of you grow from strength to strength.
It really means a lot that we could come together on your show, sir.
It means a lot to us also.
And to many, many starry nights to you and I.
Thank you. And this is a little token of appreciation for your mother. Courtesy in Spice by RK and Magic Rice.
Thank you so much, sir.
And Bhumi, this is for you. Again, courtesy in Spice by RK and Magic Rice.
Oh, that's a lot of food for any... I'm very excited. You've got me the right thing. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Well, it doesn't take too much to understand how the biggest stars also fall back on their family when in doubt or just for support. Join us next week for another glistening episode of Starry Nights 2.0. Till then, it's goodbye and good night.